Okay, I'm gonna make a real quick video on cleaning your hands. Working on an engine right now, and a small engine. And when your hands are this grimy, you could use the Gojo, the store-bought stuff. I use WD-40. Sit there. It's actually fine for you. It's fish oil. And I feel it works just as good, if not better, than the Gojo. You can use it in the spray can, or what I do is I buy it by the gallon and just put it in a little spray bottle. Seems to last me a lot longer that way. Yeah. Take a rag, just wipe it off, take off. Now you've got the majority of it off. Get another somewhat clean rag and do it one more time. Again, you can use the WD-40 in a spray can. I did that for many, many years before I started getting it in a gallon can. And as you can see, it just breaks down the grease pretty quickly. Haven't used any water yet. Don't try to wash your hands with this on you until you have to wipe it off with a rag first, because it gets all nasty and gummy. And as you see, look how clean my hands get. I know some people are like, oh, you should be wearing gloves and this. I've been doing this my entire life, and yeah, you're right, probably should do gloves. That would be easier. All right, that's pretty clean. Now your hands are kind of a little bit oily, but that's okay, because then you just take some dish detergent and it'll clean them right up. And that's it. Okay, I just ran upstairs real quick and I used some dish detergent or dish soap on my hands. Got them all nice and clean. Took me about a whole minute, maybe, not even. And look how clean that method gets your hands. All right. WD-40, great, has 1,001 uses. Just don't use it as a lubricant. It is probably the worst thing for a lubricant. It gums up.